enjo ye school fees kero mwanafunzi ekirase college yetu kobakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kurwase serikali pamoja na funding kurwase Higher Education Loans Board elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaye baitu pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ekira abakonye isikalia nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya nyaribari masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Ine nuganeti konyora jisemi chingi ya chekerero Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January ya genderete nigo bakurwa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson Omae yondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Riatirimba Technical Vocational College ose deputy principal ase college ya Riatirimba Technical Vocational College is located as Nyaliwari Masaba constituency ward ya Gasusu ikaroweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi tubate chinjira mbalimbali tukubakonya ekwarama itenga abayiboli baito gotwara baro bwaba asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekirase college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kurwase serikali pamoja na funding kurwase Higher Education Loans Board elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaye baitu pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ekira abakonye isikalia nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya nyaribari masaba Riatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
kila nafsi na ita
tuchende kuralia ogukwa kwa Joseph Temu Osoro ukwa kwaraliwe gwa Joseph Temu Osoro no mwana unyegusira Osoro Onsare na nyegusira Susan Osoro na Sandimu Obonyo no mugaka o Grace Nyaboke na Jane Bonareri Ise Duke Maureen Pastor Masi Doroth nyegusira Doris na Edgar Ise Biara Faith Millicent Ronald na Peter no yumwabo Mura Elena David, Mary, Sebedo, Queen, Isaiah na abale nyegusira Kemtotoel, Agnes, Nyangau, Margaret na Bisase. Bakaba mura bamwabo ngamona nyegusira Jane Moige, nyegusira Florence Kemto, Mary, Isaiah na Mary Toel. Ogusangirira kwa nene gusomo chango novel itukulia Jumapili, Siraliki Isano na Isato Mutinyo Kabiro mwaka yo 2026, asenkaya abo kutoka Botori Village. Nigo araruswe nkendu ya nyange na itukulia Jumatatu Siraliki Kiando Mutinyo Kabiro mwaka yo, asabiruna kwa eni wa Jumanne, Siraliki Ikomi Mutinyo Kabiro mwaka yo, asenkaya abo kutoka Botori Village, ime ya Kitutu Central, ime county ya Kisii. Kurwa ASH studio chia Getembe Television na Getembe Fama, nigotu tumire ngora na magombo nyasaye abalemi chinga kichi chobo kendu obonene Bwana akija ine nuganeti konyora gisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January ya yugenderete nigo bakuru wa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Samalieta ngoro kwa Jackson Omae yondo mwalimu Kabere ase skulu ya Tilimba Technical Vocational College was a deputy principal. As a college ya Tilimba Technical Vocational College is located as a Nyaliwadi Masaba constituency, ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi tuwate chinjira mbalimbali tukubakonya ekwarama itenga abayibuli baito gotwara baro bwaba asengenjo ya school fees. Kero mwanafunzi kila se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijulelia kusips eje kuba funding kurwa se serikali pamoja na funding ya kurwa se High Education Loans Board elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukia kwirali bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ejira abakonye isikali mwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ajerera nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocation College, scaling heights of technology.
Msomi mwancho mulire Getembe TV karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano nebiri chabona mugaso kurinde kusabo kwabera kiagira Chinsa chiamenyokire asabangana egosese bitango bitare konyara utangika karibu sana tunyare ko yasanga ali agenderete kurwa ase orugungura gusi nabo igokurwa isiko ya gusi nane kirongo chaka kurwa ase county ya Nyamira literia ne Matildah Obaigwa na Venyawoke kurwa ase ebimanyerero ababunge be county ya Nyamira abo bare omosike Josh Nyamoko oyo we bunge ya North Mugirango omosike Stephen Mugaka we bungeri ya West Mugirango omosike Clive Mbanegisairo Kitutu Masaba Patrick Osero oyore omobunge oborabu nabo igo Jerusha Mumanyi omobunge we county eyo nigobono litikolia lero mambia banyara gutwara egikaro no mu county commissioner Onyamira eri gukwanira amagendero akuwait ayo agenderete wekirani wa ase county eyo ya Nyamira kuwa mono ase chiskuru onekira bono banyare usange birengere byabona kubora buna mbagani amagendera yo nyare wekirani wa ase ebiro biri bibwenerete
Tuwaita sengenche project ya Kuwait tunatumanya the project ya anste mapema sana ekaba launch the president about 2-3 years ago so lero wetera sabara ya Nyamira bonspi tuwaru mukutana ne minister to make a decision to icha se ground elinde total reach skuru chirichi wende go benefit shions p as a county ya Nyamira elinde to manya problems kichiroro to maintain about 6 of them out of 21 lots chiaberi chiakolirwe so that ko na toligereri to manya problem eroro to sange baske bali go wende okora contract CH to sange management chi skuru elinde to manya exactly problems kichiroro. After that, tolike report, tolole mbarego gwende goteneni mbarego gwende okolega aseyo.
Inche kor West Mugirango, chik project chiana chikuwa mete egesieri, project yere Bomondo, project yere Nyagachi na Mongolis. Abantu batenrete Ministry of Education, ekero chitende chiare koena. Mangana inotari yonse. There is no way mwara goto chorera contractor chitaiyo kita report ti site, and that is why ngwakirawa chumbe ba minto ba Nyamira ngambu ya mono on this one goto gotara amo to make sure ngachibes kiaba Nyamira chia soire alias chirakeire goso.
There's a small problem. A contractor have got two parts: the infrastructure, the buildings, and the equipment, the furniture. Era very surprising mumanyere ronga part 1 mbara ikanywa 20%, 30%. Lakini furniture ya bere delivered 100%. Yani birogo computers biaretiru ese nyanyene kirasi kitaragacho. That tells you about the contracting nature and the problems tobugate ekare kiramangana tendering in this country. Ntoko ba nebinto bikoba launched byatikeruchira. Otora abuna abajumbe asobwamo kororanga chi project cha Nyamira nchibasa kuikana another election cycle nchira era egendere ko bimigano ya bere myaka ya maega tutagete ibintu by January next year all these contractors barude site abana baito banyodera our projects.
Tukienda kwa ground wao wenyewe ndio wata decide kwa sababu kuna wale wenyewe wameperform. Kama kwangu kuna contractor wamefanya menyenya 90%, maanga 90%, kuna Gesebei is at 0. Contractor alikuja na akahama. So kama ministry ingefanya hima wapeane wale ambao wameonyesha ya kwamba wako na uwezo waendelee na hizo projects under the same terms.
Tuna bajumbe toro tokorera abantu ase siasa era na batraetanira lakini ase mirimo y'abantu ntogwetana tole tayari ko deliver for the people. Wananchi ba Nyamira ngo batembia mono ase more mumanyanga we are there for you etoko barwanirira kende gyonsikerie konyarekana
gutigana nayo mwancho murigire murai wense musike William Ruto nigo litukoria rero abwatukira roboti ro mwaka oyomo igoro yobo mate ense ya Kenya yatwarire nechinse ichinde chinga kecho nigo atabire gweterase ukubwaterana nechinse ichinde nigo ense ya Kenya yanyare kogendera ase amangana gusase chiwizara ao.
Across key sectors, policy choices have translated into tangible progress, affirming both the soundness of our direction and the resilience of our people. These gains have strengthened confidence in the course of our economy, deepened social cohesion, and laid firm a foundation for inclusive and sustainable growth in the years ahead. Central to the progress recorded in the past year is the continued expansion of some of our signature projects. Just to give you maybe 3 or 4 areas that were of critical concern. In fact, our staple food maize, we have increased our production from about 44 million bags in 2022 to 75 million bags this year. Again, the highest in Kenya's history. As you're all aware, we had also a very big challenge with education. Close to 23 universities were technically insolvent because the funding model that existed did not work. We had challenges with the competence-based curriculum. There was a misalignment between teachers, students, and other stakeholders. And that is why I immediately, upon coming into office, I set up a presidential working party that gave us recommendations. We have implemented those recommendations and aligned them with our manifesto.
Na umwanchi umurigire na umugaso yiga umonogeri bwe serikali Isaac Mwaura nigo bono anyari gukwanira ekirenga umuski William Ruto abwate kubeka essay amachiko 5 na 3 saving essay bibyarenge 5 na 3 umwaka oeta igati ya machika yo unabono liria cyber crime goseriririo kumurikira ayo abakenya bagokora ase emitandao yabo yekerero nigo bono anyara kubaga kuyora libirera linyinge gose abokiye libirera linyinge kurwa segati ya bakenya ekero Mwaura anyare kwera na obuya gosobuya bwo gwetiwa kwa machika yo mborobyo.
Mimi ni Mkenya mzalendo. Je, wewe? Mimi ni Mkenya mzalendo daima. The government notes the public interest commentary and concerns of timelines following the assent to 8 bills by His Excellency the President after they were passed by the National Assembly on 15th of October 2025. The presentation of the bills for assent was prearranged and scheduled to ensure compliance with strict constitutional, statutory, and procedural timelines, international commitments, and conditions. Hence, the assent of the bills to further ensure continuity of the business of government, including the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Amendment Act, the Wildlife Conservation and Management Act, the National Police Service Commission Amendment Act, the Land Amendment Act, the National Land Commission Amendment Act, the Air Passenger Service Charge Act, the Virtual Asset Service Providers Act, and 8, the Privatization Act. On the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Amendment Act, it is important to note that the new amendments do not curtail freedom of expression or give government agencies unchecked power to silence dissent, as alleged. Rather, they strengthen Kenya's capacity to combat real and growing threats, such as child pornography, online extremism, terrorism, propaganda, cyber harassment, identity theft, and financial fraud. The power given to the national
ikigambiro kenene imensi ya Kenya kia High Court ni gubono kegenderete kuba unengia abana chebina abaya abubarachi kuliko gose irigeti kulika abana chebina abaya emerongo ebere eyungana iyo gendete kutenenerwa nekiombe gya Judicial Service Commission aiga sense ya Kenya nekiro obagendete kulichira usena gotebana raliali barakore asebigambiro.
Did you tell us the vision of the High Court? What vision you have?
Thank you, Madam CJ. So the vision I have is to really help the judiciary deal with the backlog of cases based on the experience that we've had at the Commission and also the Sports Dispute Tribunal. We've been ranked twice in a row really as the best tribunal with 500 cases and below. One of the things that really helped us was to cut down on the backlog, and this speaks to the call of the Constitution to ensure justice is not delayed, but also speak to access to justice so that the efficiency with which we clear the cases coming before us also speaks to access to justice.
Suppose parties appear before you.
Yes.
On a matter that you handled previously.
Yes.
And one of the parties who's aggrieved.
Yes.
Has appealed to the Court of Appeal.
Yes.
Then the other party, who is essentially now a respondent in the Court of Appeal.
Yes.
Has applied for review before you.
Yes.
Would that wash, in your view? The application before you, can it stand?
Wancho murire na kurwa sense moyo kwa miriri serikali ni gobono uyoro mokonyo bumuraya sikiama ya Jubilee moske Dr. Fred Matiang'i anyare komochie serikali na gutabuna no nyenense moyo kwa miriri serikali ne bwatekerenga na boigwa maroro irakorere abakenya chinga kicha tebire ni gobono baligitie koenekia uburayo bya samatuko alivusio.
Tunasema tubadilishe serikali, na ndio nataka wale viongozi wa serikali waache kuwadanganya wananchi. Kila wakati wanasema eti mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, eti mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, eti hao watu wa upinzani hawana akili, hawana mpango, hawana plan. Tuna mpango. Mpango wa kwanza ni kuwatoa uongozi. Alafu tuko na mpango. Haya sio maneno tunafanya kwa sababu ya sarakazi. We are not engaged in public entertainment. Tunaelewa serikali and we understand what is happening. Walimu, teacher unions leo, vile mmesikia hapa mheshimiwa Muturi amesema, wamesema wanataka withdraw 400,000 teachers kutoka kwa hiyo maneno ya SHA. Ukiangalia budget line, insurance cover ya walimu ni 17 billion. Na vile ilifanywa, wale ambao walipewa hiyo kandarasi kufanya ni makampuni ya wakubwa wawili kwa serikali hii wa kitaifa. Sasa walimu hawana insurance, hawana cover, wanahangaika, hawasaidiki. Tulitoka kwa serikali na wakati mmoja tutazungumzia haya maneno. We will be very honest and we will tell the country these things. When we left the government in late 2022, insurance cover ya polisi 5.3 billion. Tulikuwa tumepanga maneno mzuri. In 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the tender they had been given to some insurance company. Mwende muangalie ni ya nani wakubwa. Sasa polisi wetu wanahangaika.
Wancho murigiria sengane yo nutokorere Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na ibere chabona mugaso kurinde tobasaguska ikiagira ere MC Wiza Crown na wa DJ Creepers ngoso wabare aiga asio muroverio vibes on vibes nguruko Matildah Obaigwa veni nyaboke kurwa save manyererio nere Mike Wills ogendereta ukubikira chibichane eriogi asenchera engekirano.
Ine nuganeti konyora gisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January eyegenderete nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Getembe Technical Vocational College ose deputy principal ase college ya Getembe Technical Vocational College is located as a Nyaliwari Masaba constituency, ward ya Gesusu, ikaroweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi tubwate chinjira mbalimbali tukubakonya ekwarama itenga abayibuli baito gutwara barobwa as ngenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ikira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kurwa se serikali pamoja na funding kurwa se High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na gutabukya kwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaya baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira abakonye isikali nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.liatirimba vc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Kila nafsi na ita
tuchende kuralia ogukwa kwa Joseph Temu Osoro ukwa kwaraliwe gwa Joseph Temu Osoro no mwana unyegusira Osoro Onsare na nyegusira Susan Osoro na Sandimu Obonye.